Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. In this episode I'm actually going to show you some good to know things or must to know things under the bonnet of a Renault Laguna Mark III. This should apply for years 2007 through to 2015. This particular one is the 1.5 DCI. So a lot of these things are going to apply to the other Renault and Nissan cars with the 1.5 DCI. But first we're going to have to open the bonnet. Until you hear the click. After you've popped the bonnet, in order to open it, there's a release lever here beneath the symbol, so just twist that, lift the bonnet up. This one doesn't have any gas struts, so you're going to have to use the bonnet prop. And if you come over here to look at the engine bay, the kind of good to know things to begin with are the oil filler cap. This is where you add your oil. Here's your dipstick so you can check the oil. Here's your engine oil and antifreeze coolant. Here's your screen wash reservoir. Under this cover is your battery. Here's your air filter, your fuses and relays. Your under bonnet fuses and relays. Tucked back here is the brake fluid reservoir. And behind the engine is your turbo and EGR. Then when you look directly down, you'll see here is the engine oil filter next to your alternator. So when you're done looking under the bonnet of your Renault or your Nissan or at your 1.5 DCI, or you've done your weekly checks, checked your fluids, just simply close the bonnet when you're done. I always like to make sure all the caps and all the covers and everything are good and tight before I close the bonnet. I'm just paranoid like that. But yeah, just lift the bonnet, put the prop back down and close the bonnet. So we really hope you enjoyed that video and it's taught you a few things about your own car. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.